Indian Railways is set to launch Guru Kripa Yatra from 5th of April this year from Lucknow with its exclusive Bharat Gaurav tourist train. In a major development, Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde was named the Shiv Sena chief leader following the national executive meeting of the party yesterday. Union Minister of State for Science and Technology Dr. Jitendra Singh has said that the troika of space, drone and geospatial policy will propel India as a preeminent technological power in a few years from now. The government has emphasized on launching an over-the-top platform for Prasar Bharati this year to increase its footprint in the rapidly changing broadcasting industry. Indian teen Tilotama Sen has won bronze medal in the women's 100-meter air rifle at the ISSF World Cup at Cairo in Egypt.